What is up, guys? We are back with another video. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. We're gonna get right into this video. If y'all saw the title, you already know what's going on. So this is my dad's truck, 2018 Suburban LT. The focus of the video, the rims, these right here. So I think stock these are 18-inch rims. A while ago, my dad told me to start looking online to see what kind of rims we will want. He has a certain style he likes, so we looked up some rims, narrowed our options down, found something, and the rims just came in. So I'm going to show y'all what those rims look like in just a second. I'm going to give y'all another look at the stock rims that come on it. That's the company, fuel. And here is the rim itself. I love these rims. This is the style that I would go with if I was to put some on my truck. These rims are awesome. So it's like a 6-spoke, but they each split off into 2, which is the exact design that my dad wanted. And we've got like the little hardware on the outside going around. And it's a 2-tone black with like a kind of like a graphite gray on the spokes themselves. A little sensor cap. We're about to go get these installed, and then I'll probably show y'all the installation process itself if I can, and if not, we'll just clip right to the after. So they just finished putting the rims on there, new tires, got it all mounted up, changed the tire pressure sensors. I like it. I like how it sits. All right, dropped my papers. All right, we just finished it up, paid for it, everything. I like the way these look. Everybody in there liked them. Some people were saying maybe go with like a thicker tire, but you know, I'm going for efficiency and whatnot, fuel consumption, so this is nice. What I'm checking for now is tire dates, 45-22. So for those of y'all who maybe don't know, the tires are dated. You always want to make sure when you get fresh tires that the tires are not old, they're fresh. And the way it works is it's upside down with 45-22. So 45 is the week, the 45th week, and then the month is 22. So these were produced in the 45th week of 2022. So all pretty good tires. Have to get this washed, get all this, I think that's lube they put on there. Get that off of there. Came with the lug nuts. Yeah, run it, about to take it to Benny's, run it through, let them do a detail. 45-22. And last but not least, this last one over here. 44-22. So this one was actually produced a week before all the other tires, but they're still not old. These look good. Also, too, you want to check for damage. You can tell all this stuff is lube that they put on there to help them seat the actual tire in there. But I'm looking at it. I don't see any damage. Nothing wrong with the rims. I see that they balanced it. I can see the weights in the tires, or the weights in the rims. I'm right there. You can kind of see them poking through. But yeah, we're over here at Discount Tire. When I tell you, so over here at Discount Tire, service was impeccable. This is some of the best service I've ever had in any type of shop. The whole shop was clean. Everybody was informative. Everybody I had any question, they all answered it, no problem. So I'm about to start it up, see how it's looking, see how it rides. Go pick my dad up, get his reaction. About to go pick my dad up, see what he thinks, get his final say on it. Because of course this is his truck, his rims, everything was him, but you know, I get to document it and see it, and you know, shout out to my dad for letting me do that. It's really cool. Also, it's kind of cool for me to see the process, because I do plan on getting rims on my car as well in the future. So, you know, I kind of see what it's like to go through the process, getting the rims, bringing them in the shop, talking to all the people. You know, I think this is probably where I'll come when I do get rims. And y'all can kind of see they put everything back there, put all the rims in the back. The new rims and tires, or the old rims and tires, they put all in the back with the hardware and all that. So yeah, we're about to go pick him up, get a detail, and then we'll hop back in. Alright, so we're here at Benny's on the assembly line, and they are doing the interior detail. They just spray it down, do the inside, spray out the inside, vacuum it all out. Pretty much do like the full detail that would be done. But we had a slight problem going through the actual the wash itself. The new rims that we got are a little wider than the old ones, and when we went through, if you've been to Benny's, they have a track. And so what happened was, when we went down that track, it was squeaking and shaking the whole vehicle. So the verdict is that we're just not gonna do that anymore with these new rims and tires, because they just don't work, frankly. So yeah, we'll check back in and see how the detail looks when it's done. But it's coming along so well. So far it's coming along pretty well. Rims looking nice now that they got them cleaned up. So yeah. Alright, so they just finished coming off the assembly line. That shine looking good. They put a little coat of wax on it, they sprayed it. Rims look way better now that they're clean. Dried it off, did all that. Thank you very much. Thank you. Vacuumed it, gave us a fresh little air filter, nice little bag, and vacuumed.